You're full?
No.
You want a pickle?
Mm-hmm. Two.
One.
Two.
One.
Two.
One.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah.
Ask Mommy.
Pickle.
You already had lots of pickles.
Pickle.
Only one.
Two.
One.
Two.
Ask Mommy for pickle.
Ice. Please.
Maybe one.
Two.
No.
Two. Two. Two.
Just one.
Two.
Say, Mommy, please, can I have a pickle?
Please.
I don't know. Maybe you got to finish your sandwich first, baby.
Okay.
Don't just eat the meat. If you ask Mommy nicely for 2 pickles, you might get them.
Two pickles.
I didn't hear the magic word.
I want two.
What's the magic word?
I want two.
What do you say?
Please. I want two. Please, two. I want two milk sparkles.
Where's your pants, Ainsley?
No,
Where are they?
I don't need it.
You don't need pants?
No. What sparkles? I want this.
Pickles?
Two.
One.
Two.
One.
Two.
One.
I want two.
One.
Two. Two. Two.
One.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Two.
Eat your pickle.
I want two.
Eat the pickle.
I want my